Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Steinhauer, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of my most favorite and fun topics in my office, which is called Syntonics or Phototherapy. And a lot of people are going to be wondering what that is, but I'm going to back up for a minute and say it's back to school time, and your kids don't want to struggle, and you don't want them to struggle, especially with that problem with attention span that maybe they had last year. And maybe it was even suggested that they're ADD or ADHD. Well, in our office, we look at things a little bit differently. Most of the patients who come in to see us who have ADD or ADHD, or it's been suggested they have that, have a small visual field. And I have a chart to show you. We do a special test for this. It's unlike any visual field test in the area, but this particular test is looking at their attention span visual field. And you can see with this one, with this little white circle here, if we look at the numbers up here, this is a 10-degree visual field. That's teeny tiny. And for the child who looks to be ADD or ADHD-like, what that means is it's like they're looking through a tube about this small or this big for everything that they do. So imagine, and do this yourself, but imagine that if your child had to read, write, be in school, ride a bike, pay attention to information at home, and their world was that small. What they would have to do is literally move around a lot to be able to sample their environment and see what was going on. So what's important is we want children and adults to have a visual field that's about 70 degrees. If you look at this one, this is approximately 65 degrees. But 70 degrees to 60 degrees of visual field is large, wide attention span. When a child has this big of an attention span field, they can sit down and calmly pay attention to information that's presented to them. How do we do this, and how do we treat patients who come in with this little bitty teeny tiny visual field? Well, back behind me, there's different filters on the table. We have tons of them, but these are just a few, and there's a lot of different filter colors. We utilize the filters in order to make changes to open up the person's visual field until they're able to see this wide of a visual field. We can use glasses, and we can also use this lamp, which we outfit with different filter colors. This is red, there's greens, there's blues, there's yellows. We have a bunch of these as well. But the overall goal behind Syntonics is that we open up and build a visual field that's small into something that's large and usable, so the person can pay better attention, sit still, and ultimately learn more information. Let's make this year a success. Go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com. Thank you.